Hello friends, this is solved question paper of RPSC school lecturer conducted on 16th November 2022. Subject English. Second question paper, and here question number 1 is choose the appropriate option that interrogative of the following sentence, and the sentences that was not an example to be followed. तो इसका इंटरोगेटिव चेंज करना है इस सेंटेंस को. दिस सेंटेंस इज इन affirmative, and the correct option here is was that an example two followed. Option C is the correct interrogative of this statement. ओके क्योंकि हेल्पिंग वर्ब से स्टार्ट करते हैं इंटरोगेटिव स्टेटमेंट, तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब यहाँ पर वाज है तो वाज को सब्जेक्ट से पहले लगाना है और लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 here, change the following sentence into indirect speech. So Sarita said to me, I will do it now or never. Okay, so Sarita said to को told करेंगे, स्टेटमेंट आर वी और आर एस को दैट से जोड़ेंगे. आई जो है वो फर्स्ट पर्सन है तो सरिता के अनुसार सी हो जाएगा. ओके, विल को वुड करेंगे. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी. सरिता told me that she would do it then or never. now को then करता है. Question number 3 here. Choose the correct tense. The clerk the money from the bank by 1 o'clock. Okay, and 4 options are given, and correct option is option 2. ठीक है, will have withdrawn. Why? क्योंकि by plus time दिया हुआ है और by plus time जो है फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस का टाइम एडवर्ब है. ठीक है, सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन हियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, fill in the blank with appropriate determiner. Blank Delhi was without electricity last night. So Delhi जो है वो कलेक्टिव नाउन हुआ. क्लियर. सो most of Delhi was without electricity last night. Next here, question number 5 is do as directed. Who were you taught grammar by? So this is the sentence is in passive voice. Active change करना है इसको. ठीक है, was remove was simple past. अगर एक्टिव वॉइस हो तो उसके पैसिव में was लगाते हैं. ठीक है, by को भी हटा दीजिए. तो करेक्ट आंसर जो होगा क्या होगा? हु टॉट यू ग्रामर. ऑप्शन डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 here. Choose the option which best expresses the meaning to the idiom, and statement is harassed by repeated acts of injustice. He decided to put his foot down. Put his foot down. This is idiom, and it means not to yield. Okay, next question number 7 here. Fill in the blank with the appropriate modal auxiliary. She have told me she going to stay out. So stay out all night. So here correct answer is option B, might. Next question number 8. Okay, next question number 8 is fill in the blank with appropriate fill in the blank with preposition. After the advice to his father, he was reconciled blank his wife. And correct answer is reconciled के साथ में हमेशा to आता है. So option D is correct answer. Next question number 9. Choose the appropriate affirmative of the following sentence. I never in my life made a plan and failed to carry it out. So affirmative of the following sentence, इसका affirmative आपने बनाना है. And correct affirmative is whenever I made a plan in my life, I carried it out. Option D. Next question number 10. And question number 10 is fill in the blank with an appropriate model auxiliary. You have woken me up. I don't have to go to work today. So, need not means not necessary. Clear? So, option C is correct. Question 11, do as directed. The news of his murder was not correct. Change into complex sentence. Complex sentence बनाना है. Complex sentence का मतलब है principal clause plus subordinate clause. और subordinate clause means who or whom or whose or that or which or when or because or as से अगर sentence start हो तो that is subordinate means complex sentence. So here correct answer should be option C. The news that he was murdered was not correct. Option C. Next question number 12. Change the following sentence into indirect to direct speech. I said to the boys that they should do their duty. तो इसको क्या करना है? That को हटाना है. Abolish that. ठीक है. And तो sentence क्या होगा? I said to the boys, comma double and comma you should do your duty. Sentence is an imperative sentence है. Then question number 13. Do as directed. He is sometimes foolish. Change into negative. So he is sometimes foolish. He is sometimes foolish. So correct answer he is not always. Sometimes का जो है opposite का होगा always. So he is not always wise. Question 14. Do as directed. Shall I never forget those happy days? Shall I never forget those happy days? Change into passive voice. And correct passive voice of the sentence is will those days. ठीक है. Those happy days. This is object. Clear. So those happy days के साथ में will लगाएंगे. Will के साथ में be. So will those happy days be ever forgotten? Option C. Then question number 15. Choose the appropriate passive voice of the following sentence. And sentences you must endure what you cannot cure. इसका बनाना है passive voice. ठीक है. Object पहले देखिए. So what cannot be cured must be endure. Option B is correct passive voice of the sentence. Then question number 16. Fill in the blank with correct preposition. He left the firm because he did not agree their sales policy. So agree with person के साथ अगर हो तो with use करते हैं agree with. Question 17. Insert an appropriate model in the sentence given below. Speak carefully. List अगर friends sentence में दिया हो तो should list के साथ में we always use should. तो 17 का correct option is option first should. Then question number 18. Fill in the blank with correct article with blank little patience. You will be able to cross this obstacle is बाधा होती है. तो means some patience और some के लिए a little. तो use A. Then question number 19. Fill in the blank with the correct verb form from I save rupees 5,000 a month. I started in January. So by the end of means future perfect tense. By the end of the year I और future perfect का मतलब क्या होता है? Shall or will, have or with her. Clear? So option D is correct. Then question number 20. Change the verb in the following sentence from active to passive. Active से passive बनाना है. So people hope that people hoped. Clear? That the government should take some action. तो simple past है. People hoped. अब what hope? ठीक है तो it और सिंपल पास्ट में वाज लगाते हैं तो इट वाज होप्ड बाय द पीपल, आवश्यकता नहीं है बाय द पीपल की, सो इट वाज होप्ड दैट द गवर्नमेंट वुड टेक सम एक्शन, ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट हियर, ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. Next question number 21, and question number 21 is, do is directed Gray, the author of Elegy, lived in 18th century, change into complex sentence बनाना है. ठीक है, तो ग्रे जिन्होंने लिखा है एलिजी को, लिव्ड इन 18th सेंचुरी. क्लियर, तो ग्रे हु, जो इस जिन्होंने हु, ग्रे हु इज ऑथर ऑफ द एलिजी, लिव्ड इन 18th सेंचुरी. क्लियर. कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस का मतलब है कि आपने सबऑर्डिनेट्स यूज करना है, हु और हुज और हुम और विच और देयर, वेयर और व्हेन और एज और बिकॉज एक्सेट्रा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. Question number 22, and question number 22 is fill in the blank with the correct verb. We were told that manager could not see us at that moment as he blank some letters to his secretary. ठीक है, so past में है, sentence किसमें है, past में. So was dictating, clear, at that moment. Question number 23, fill in the blank with an auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb means helping verb का यूज करना है. If I blank you, ठीक है, if क्लोज दिया हुआ है तो if I were, if या I were, option D. Then question number 24, and question 24 is, do you see I see Mary, said the young man, change into indirect में change करना है. क्लियर. तो said the young man, अब क्योंकि इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है तो the young man asked Mary. क्लियर. The young man asked Mary, the young man asked Mary. अब जो है डू हेल्पिंग वर्ब तो इफ लगाना है. asked Mary if she saw what he saw. Clear. Option B is correct answer. Then question number 25, convert 25, convert the following sentence from direct to indirect speech. He said to us, are you going away today? अब चूंकि इंटरोगेटिव स्टेटमेंट है तो आप आस्क करेंगे. he asked us or inquired us of us whether और if लगाना है. और यू को अस के अनुसार, यू जो है सेकंड पर्सन है तो ऑब्जेक्ट के अनुसार करेंगे वी. और इज वर्क वाज वर, वी वर गोइंग अवे दिस टू दैट डे. क्लियर. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट आंसर हियर. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, कन्वर्ट द सिंपल सेंटेंस टू ए कॉम्प्लेक्स वन. सिंपल सेंटेंस क्या है, ऑन बीइंग पनिश्ड ही वेप्ट. दिस इज सिंपल सेंटेंस. इसको बनाना है, किसमें चेंज करना है, कॉम्प्लेक्स में करना है. कॉम्प्लेक्स मीन्स मिश्रित वाक्य, और सबऑर्डिनेट एक उसमें एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लोज का यूज होता है और प्रिंसिपल क्लोज का. क्लियर. सो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा, व्हेन ही वाज पनिश्ड ही वेप्ट. क्लियर. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट आंसर हियर. क्वेश्चन 27, फिल इन द ब्लैंक विद द करेक्ट डिटरमिनर of what he said was very sensible. Of what? Clear. So much of what he said was very sensible. क्यों मुझ आएगा, क्योंकि अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, and question number 28 here is, choose the appropriate assertive statement of the following interrogative sentence है, उसको आपने assertive बनाना है. Why waste time in reading trace? Clear. So reading trace is wasting time. Option C is correct here. Then question number 29, and question number 29 is, choose the appropriate indirect statement of the following. He said, let us wait for the award. Clear. So he अब ये let us का मतलब proposed और suggested. So he suggested or proposed that they should wait for the award. Option A is correct. Then question number 30 here. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. You should provide blank your old age. Clear. So here provide for, clear, provide for. Then question number 31. Then question number 31 is the idiom by hook or by crook mean. तो idiom इसका मतलब आपको होना चाहिए by hook or by crook. And by hook and by crook means by any mean, किसी भी तरह से, साम दाम दंड भेद जो भी है, by any means. Clear. Next question number 32. And question number 32 here is to transform the given compound sentence into a complex sentence. Compound sentence का मतलब होता है संयुक्त वाक्य, जहां पर कोऑर्डिनेट एक प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज, कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज का यूज होता है. क्लियर है. मीन्स कंजंक्शन से दो वाक्य जुड़े होते हैं, दो या मोर देन टू. और so cancer is curable and everybody knows this. तो एंड को हटाना है यहाँ पर और सबऑर्डिनेट का यूज करना है अपने को. क्लियर है. सो एवरीबडी नोज दैट कैंसर इज क्यूरेबल. दैट जो है ये सबऑर्डिनेटर है, इसलिए दिस सेंटेंस इज कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट आंसर हियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. 33 में क्या करना है, fill in the blank with a correct phrasal verb. The soldier has no choice but to his officer's order. So carry out, follow करना, obey करना, carry out. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में 34. एंड क्वेश्चन 34 इज ट्रांसफॉर्म द फॉलोइंग assertive sentence means पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट को into इंटरोगेटिव में चेंज करना है विदाउट चेंजिंग द मीनिंग. सो इट वाज ए वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस. इट वाज ए वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस, इसको चेंज करना है इंटरोगेटिव में. तो इसका करेक्ट इंटरोगेटिव क्या होगा, वाज इट नॉट ए वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. Fill in the blank with the correct verb form. When I blank my dinner, I went to bed. ठीक है. So this is 35. Question number 35. So when I, देखिए I went to bed simple past is given. तो दूसरे वाक्य क्या होगा, had plus with had. When I had my dinner. So option C is correct answer here. ठीक है. This is helping verb and this is man verb have का with had. Next question number 36. And question number 36 is do as directed. Do as directed. And direction is finding himself in difficulty. He went to his teacher for help. Change into compound sentence बनाना है इसको, मीन्स संयुक्त वाक्य बनाना है. ठीक है. Finding himself in difficulty, he went to his teacher for help. This is simple sentence. And इसका compound क्या होगा, means he found himself in difficulty and. ठीक है. This is coordinator. So option D is correct. Then question number 37. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. Although he is blind, he is very first calculation. ठीक है. So at calculation, he is very first at calculation. Question number 38. She broke down in the middle of her speech. Here, broke down means to broke down, broken down. This is phrasal verb, and broken down means started crying. ठीक है. Broke down, दुखी होना, started weeping, crying. Then question number 39. Fill in the blank with the correct form of tense. I blank into town later on. Do you want a lift? And here correct answer is will be. I will be driving into town later on. Do you want a lift? Then question number 40. Question number 40 is fill in the blank with the appropriate determiner. Information he had was not quite reliable. So information he had विशेष हो गया and was not reliable. Clear. So the little विशेष के लिए थोड़ा किंतु मतलब somewhat special. तो उसके पास जो कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन है that was not reliable. Clear. So the little information is uncountable noun. That's why we use little. And fill in the blank with the correct phrasal verb. while in Delhi I always in a hotel. So phrasal verb अपने correct phrasal verb use करनी है. Put up, clear. Put up in a hotel. Then question number 42. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. His conduct is bad and his honest is not suspicion. His conduct is bad and his honesty is not. So this is idiom ही है, ठीक है, एक proverb है, कहावत है, एक है. एंड हियर करेक्ट, आरबीसी ने इसका bonus अंक दिया था, ठीक है, बट करेक्ट जो आंसर है वो above. This is a statement, proverb. His conduct is bad and his honesty is not beyond suspicion. Not beyond suspicion means full of doubt or doubtful. And question number 43 here. Fill the blank with a suitable article. Blank honorary secretary is not paid for his services. तो honorary जो secretary है, इसके लिए आपने क्या यूज करना है? एन, ठीक है. क्यों एन करना है? क्योंकि साउंड एच कॉन्सोनेंट है, लेकिन साउंड जो है वो वोवल साउंड है. एंड देयर आर 20 वोवल साउंड इन इंग्लिश, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. एंड क्वेश्चन 44 इज चेंज द वर्ब इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस फ्रॉम पैसिव टू एक्टिव. It disappoints me that the committee has adopted an unrealistic policy. Unrealistic policy. तो इसका करेक्ट जो क्या करना है, पैसिव वॉइस बताना है. And correct passive voice is I am disappointed that an unrealistic policy has been adopted by the committee. Clear. Next question number 45 to 49 जो है ये फ्रेंड्स पैसेज के क्वेश्चंस हैं. So come to question number 50. And question number 50 here is identify the figure of speech used in the following line. India lost by 7 wickets. So here correct answer is सिलेक्ट डॉज, ठीक है. क्योंकि द बाय 7 विकेट्स, जब किसी होल के लिए किसी एक का यूज करते हैं इस तरह का, तो वहां पर इंडिया का मतलब है इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम. क्लियर. सो इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम रिप्रेजेंट द होल कंट्री. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज सिलेक्ट डॉज what figure of speech. Then question number 50. Question number 51 here is both the instructional and concurrent effects of advanced organization model is given below. Find out which are instructional effect of his model. So here correct answer is D, A and C. Conceptual structure and C, meaningful assimilation of information and ideas. So friends, ग्रामर के जो क्वेश्चंस थे वो 50 तक थे. इसके बाद में ये जो क्वेश्चंस है ये based on subject, we will discuss these questions in next video. Okay, thank you for watching. And you guys like or share or subscribe the channel if you like this video. Thank you very much.